My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Go to my website at 777irs.com. You can learn all about me. I've been on the national news many times. I'm one of the national experts in that country, and I try to share what you need to know. This isn't an infomercial about me. I get a kick out of all the people who want their work, and they're really infomercials about them. Few people have my resume in this industry. Anyway, I just want you to know about the Offer and Compromise program, and I want to give you the single best tip that I could possibly give you. Why do you need to listen to me? Well, I am a former agent. I worked the Offer and Compromise program. I used to accept offers, deny offers. So yes, it's important to listen to me because I've taught other people on how to work offers and how to get them accepted. So what is the single best tip? I'm not going to give you one. I had to tell you I was going to give you a single, but really there's a couple that I want to give you. First of all, know that when you file your offer, all your returns have to be filed. All your estimate payments or withholding have to be up to date. If not, IRS is going to reject the offer. Just so you know, not going to take it. IRS is looking at two things. I am going to give you the single biggest tip anyway. Your financial statement determines everything. There's a lot of things I can talk about: your age, your employment history, where you've worked, your education. There's a lot of things surrounding that. The LexisNexis report, credit reports, a lot of that stuff is all jammed up in there. But when it gets down to it is what your assets, what are the values of your assets, and what are your income and expenses. Two things really that you need to know. Make sure your assets are valued correctly. You want to use the lowest value you can. You really do when you submit your offer. And as far as income and expenses, IRS isn't going to use your expenses. They're going to use theirs. You say, well, but these are my expenses. IRS doesn't care. IRS is what's called the National Standards Program from the Department of Labor. Boom. They're going to shove their expenses in, yours out. You want to find out where the National Standard Program is. Go to the IRS National Standard Program. They have them for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. They're going to put yours in and take yours out. That's why sometimes you want to use a professional if you really want your offer and compromise to go through. They only accepted 13,000 last year. They denied, 39,000, 40,000, something like this. Most of them probably were done by big box firms and individuals. Offers tough. They're tough to get through. So the biggest single tip is this. If you have a qualified offer and compromise, write a 2-page cover letter. Put it on bond paper, colored bond paper, nice looking bond paper, 2 pages. Tell IRS why you want your offer accepted. Separate yourself from other people. I'm getting my microphone a little closer to me. IRS wants to, in fact, know why. See, as an agent, all I do is look at paper, black and white paper. At the end of the day, I can't separate one offer from the other. They're not in color. They're all black and white. Your cover letter changes everything. Absolutely everything. So what I'm telling you is if you can go ahead and get your offer and compromise through, write a cover letter. If you need me, you know where to get a hold of me. Thank you very much. Give me a subscription. Thank you very much.